The Motorola modem's flashing blue downward arrow is typically caused by a signal outage, indicating that the modem is unable to detect a signal from the internet service provider. To resolve this issue, start by checking the modem's cable connections. Ensure that all cables connecting the modem to the wall outlet and devices are securely plugged in, as loose connections can cause interruptions. Next, check the local internet status to determine if the area is experiencing outages due to situations like bad weather or power disruptions. Restarting the modem, or cycling it by unplugging from the power source, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in, can resolve temporary issues and restore normal operation. Additionally, updating the firmware can help fix bugs and compatibility issues, so ensure it is up to date. If the problem persists, contact the Internet Service Provider's support for further troubleshooting assistance or to schedule a service technician visit if needed.